guys, let me show you the weather of today. It's over cloudy, lots of windy, and it's raining too. But still then, I'm taking risks for my viewers. Look at the cloud. It's lightning, storming also. But for my viewers, I'm taking risks. So please subscribe to my channel, comments and share. So here are my beautiful flowers. Look at this beautiful flower. Beautiful blooming. And here, next, look at these. Pinkish, beautiful pinky. Yellow light. Here are my beautiful plants that I'm planting on. Guys, you can have a look. Rain, go away, come again another day. Little Charlie wants to play. Na-na-na-na-na. Look at my beautiful place, guys. I'm still going on, so let me show some of my mini garden, small mini garden. But look at this. In Nagamis we call it Tita Guti, but it's already dry. But here it's for next season we can use this. We can use this seed, and then when this season comes, we can put it and have some yummy Tita Guti. Look at this. It's already dry. Look here, guys. So this is called piggy leaves. Hope you guys knows. And here comes my beautiful flower. Next, look here. Hello, beautiful. Are you enjoying with the red? Look at this. See. Here it is. Some still did not bloom, but don't worry. When it comes out, I'll show you guys. Ta-da! Na, 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 na.